They call the Indian Railways the lifeline of India, the largest mover of goods and men. A story which started with steam engines, redefining how the country travelled again. Now hear the story of Autometers Alliance Limited. Autometers Alliance Limited has been associated with Indian Railways since 1988. We are an ISO 9001 certified Indian company manufacturing high technology products to international standards. Over the last 3 decades, Autometers Alliance Limited has been serving Indian Railways and metro companies by developing, manufacturing, supplying and providing after-sales support for high-technology products. Located near the capital New Delhi, the company operates a modern facility equipped with machineries to produce high-technology products. Our products are safety-related and essential for traction. Converters, inverters, battery chargers, vacuum circuit breaker, relays, connectors and escalators. Our customer base covers manufacturing units owned by Indian Railways. Our qualified and dedicated workforce is the core strength of the company. With 30 years of experience serving Indian Railways, we invite you to partner us in opening new avenues of growth in the Indian market. Autometers Alliance Limited welcomes you to the future of India.